causing a used vehicle consignment company to downsize and how it plans on regaining financial stability moving forwards. Good morning. Welcome to First Shift. I'm Kristen Strakleitis. We will have more on that story in a moment, but first, if you drive a Toyota or Subaru electric vehicle, listen up because your vehicle could be under a recall. Toyota says it's recalling 2,700 of its BZ4X crossovers. Subaru says it's recalling 2,600 Solterras that it developed with Toyota. Both vehicles are being recalled after Japanese safety regulator says sharp turns and sudden braking could cause a hub bolt to loosen, which may cause the wheels to become loose. Used vehicle consignment company CarLotz is shutting down 11 stores in an effort to ensure future profitability. CarLotz's CEO says it was having trouble sourcing vehicles, a situation that might improve with fewer hubs to focus on. Moving forward, the company says it will look to ramp up the number of vehicles it sources directly from consumers, reducing its reliance on auctions. Overall, CarLotz estimated the closures will reduce operations losses by roughly $12 million to $13 million on an annualized basis. If you are looking for a reason to purchase an electric vehicle, General Motors' new public charging feature may help convince you to invest. Unlike at a gas station where people would have to mess around with a screen, drivers who use charge points on the Ultium 360 network can just plug in. The plug-in charge feature is designed to work on multiple public networks in North America, beginning with EVgo. The feature will work with vehicles powered by Ultium batteries. GM will launch the plug-in charge service Thursday. There will soon be a closer look taken at right-to-repair issues involving the auto industry. The Government Accountability Office will examine the issue in the coming months. The action comes after Illinois Representative Jan Schakowsky urged the GAO to look at efforts that ensure consumers' right to repair with respect to light-duty cars and trucks. It's all because vehicle owners and independent repair shops want access to the same repair and maintenance tools and data as automakers and franchised dealerships. Currently, 70% of post-warranty work is done by the independent aftermarket. Representative Schakowsky wants the GAO to address cybersecurity risks that may come with greater access to vehicle data. Turning back to General Motors, if you are looking to catch a ride in one of its autonomous driving cruise units in San Francisco, no, it will cost you. The company says this is a step towards commercializing the service. Earlier this month, Cruise became the first company to secure a permit to charge for self-driving car rides in the U.S. city. As many of you are aware, this month is Pride Month. And it looks like Stellantis took part in this weekend's Pride Parade festivities in New York City. On Sunday, a rainbow-wrapped Jeep Gladiator Rubicon pulled the playbill float through Manhattan in the parade. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you Tuesday morning.